Jesus Christ. That's the this for Victor, take a racket.
I don't know what he did. He don't know what he did.
Alright, so this just happened today outside Omega Fire Ministry, where Dangote trailer crushed those people. Today being 17th of August 2025. We were just talking about this on Tuesday. On Tuesday here, now they go clear one girl where they come up from outside Auchi Polytechnic. A fresh graduate, Dangote trailer crush am. Today now, Dangote trailer don't do another one again. When are the government going to talk about Dangote? When are they going to talk about him? You see, I'm currently in Benin. Tomorrow I enter Auchi. That are my local government. And I'm going to Auchi tomorrow. I'm going to Auchi tomorrow. All those people that are there for inside hospital, Dangote, you come and take care of them. Everybody. Your trailer cannot be killing Nigerians like this every day and nobody will do anything about them. They caught your first driver, the one where they catch on Tuesday. The driver no get license. You are putting drivers on the road without license and they kicking Nigerians up and down. Nobody they talk about them because you be who? Because now you get money pass on Nigeria? Then innocent people will be dying every day? All for what? All for what? Because you are a rich man that cannot control your company very well and people's lives are lost and people are just dying every day? For what? We will stop your trucks from passing through Auchi. That's my local government. Your trucks will not pass through that state again if you don't do anything about your drivers. We cannot continue losing people. For what? For what? Road safety no dey talk. We talked about this man and people no get license. Road safety no talk. VI will no talk. Police no talk. Army no talk. Government no talk. Nobody saying anything. Because Dangote na rich man. I dey building like this tomorrow at the market Auchi. Dangote truck, you know, go pass my local government again. You will stop killing my people. You will not pass my local government again. Anything where will happen tomorrow, make it happen. You are not going to pass out your local government again. You put a lot of people for hospital. You put a lot of people for hospital. For what reason? Because you're Dangote. Don't be driving without...